Welcome back. This is episode 2 about the Indian board tracker. What we did since last time is that we broke down the bike completely up to the bare engine and radiator. This is to start beginning the digital design of the bike. What we want to do is what they call reverse engineering, by digitalizing the complete engine or some of the parts and measuring them and drawing them in 3D, design a complete frame. So we need to find the correct geometry, as well as knowing if parts will fail, and put out simulations for strength tests and knowing if things will fit. Or the regular way to do it would be designing a little bit on the flow and doing it with pen and paper and going from one point to the other and thinking about a lot of stuff. And with 3D engineering you can do the prefab basically digitally before you start doing it in real life, and giving this extra dimension and making it a little bit easier knowing on forehand on what parts will work, or if you have to change your design or have to change big bits, as well as having all the parts ready to be CNC milled, laser cut, CNC bend. So in the end I will get a kind of like a big puzzle and put all the parts together to create one frame on which then we can weld up and create the bike and start building. To do this you do need to have basically every structural part as well. So we got a bullet shock, which is a really cool thing. It's from K-Tech and it does not use a spring, just gas that you compress, as well as you have to put a lot of other products in place like the ECU, like the fuel pump and stuff like that. So you have to find a place to put these, and that you can do this all digitally instead of having a problem later on. You can't fit parts here, you can't fit them there, and that's a little bit easier way of doing it. It is a big project to do for me as well. It's the first time I ever designed a complete frame, and that's a big thing to tackle, but you'll see that hopefully in the next episode having that done. If you want to follow the project, you can do this on the Instagram of Indian Motorcycle Benelux or on my own at Luke Mouse Creations.